What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess here. I'm not going to take up a lot of your time. I just wanted to hop on here, kind of give you guys an update. So today is January 26th. Today is the second day of the 90-day video challenge I'm doing. It's the one video a day for the next 90 days to grow my business, to grow my team, to spread awareness about what I'm doing with my team. And I'm super excited. You know, I have partnered with some really amazing people, and it's all about accountability, right? You know, everybody has their own individual goals that they're trying to reach in life. You know, nobody has the same goal. And at the end of the day, the most important thing is that you are aligning yourself with a group of people that have the same idea as far as success, and you know they're gonna help you grow alongside of what you're all doing together. You're all working together as a team cohesively with your individual goals. So with that being said, I have partnered with 3 Bitcoin platforms, right? There's so many different ways to make money from home. I could have done a lot of different things. I have a master's in marketing and communications. And I mean, it's a lot of different platforms and programs and things that I could have done to create income. But I've chosen to work with these 3 particular Bitcoin platforms simply because I had a life-changing experience with Bitcoin in 2017. And I realized that, we all have a limited amount of time to be able to capitalize on being able to accumulate as much Bitcoin as we can. And so with Bitcoin, I think today Bitcoin is over $32,000. And in 2017, one Bitcoin, when I first heard about Bitcoin in April of 2017, one Bitcoin was a little over $1,100. So to have witnessed Bitcoin to do something so life-changing is what I can say, because I know there are a lot of people that have created millions of dollars in the last couple of years with Bitcoin, and I was positioned to be able to do the same, but I didn't make wise choices despite what I was told. That's another story for another day. But I really just wanted to do this video to let you guys know that I'm going to be sharing my journey over the next 90 days. It is my goal to be able to help not only change my life, financially, but to help some other people change their lives in the next 90 days financially as well. And most of the videos that I'm going to do probably will not be with my face, simply because I know that I get from a lot of people. They're like, Nikki, I don't have the ability to get in front of the camera like you do. Can I still make money and not get in front of the camera? So I want to show people that it's possible for you to still be able to make money even if you don't get in front of the camera. So I'm going to, be doing both videos, but I'm going to focus more on, videos that don't, show my face, just to show people that it doesn't matter, whether you show your face, whether you decide to not show your face, you still can get the same type of results, just depending on your message in the video. So with that being said, I wanted to keep this video under 5 minutes just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's to come. I have a Facebook group where I'll be sharing everything inside of the Facebook group. Somewhere on this video, you'll be able to see the link to get access to the Facebook video. If you want to see the program that I am connecting with, then you definitely, I said program, but there's actually 3 particular programs, and it really just kind of depends on what your objective is as to, which ones I would say. But I will share with you the one that I am leading with, and wherever this video is, you'll be able to get access to that. If you would love to chat, the ability to connect with me on Messenger for Facebook is going to be where this video is as well. With that being said, I think I'm going to end this video. That's pretty much what I wanted to let you guys know, is that I am doing a video challenge, one video a day for the next 90 days. Today is day 2. I should have did this video yesterday, but you guys, I want to be real with you and let you know that, hey, right now I got a lot of things going on. I'm juggling a lot of things, and I'm just super excited to be able to help change some people's lives. Because I remember when I was working a job and I didn't have a clue of what to do. It is my goal to be able to help people that was in that same type of place where I once was. So it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.